G'day viewers, it's your Uncle Luke here again and welcome back to the channel. Today's suggestion comes from Carlo EK. Some of you might know Carlo. We befriended him at Stromlo Mountain Bike Park a couple of weeks ago. Thanks Carlo for showing us around. You were a great host and we're taking on board your suggestion. You asked us to go and check out Awaba Mountain Bike Park. Apparently, it's a bike trail riding through the rainforest. Sounds very interesting. So let's pack the car and head out there. Awaba Mountain Bike Park is situated approximately 130 kilometers north of Sydney. It's straight up the M1 motorway for about an hour and a half and you're there. Awaba is indigenous for flat plains, which is quite ironic because this place is anything but.
Let the sun go down. Take my hand and find expression in the silent night and let the moon break in. Let the moon break in.
G'day viewers and welcome to Awaba Mountain Bike Park. We're finally here. This is the first time I've ever been to this park, so I'm not sure what to expect, but on first impressions, the park looks pretty well kept, very clean. There's lots of facilities, bench tops and benches, tables for picnics and barbecues, very well signposted. There is a toilet facility up there. Unfortunately, no drinking water. There's a rainwater tank tap though, which is okay, I suppose. And they've got these little nifty things where you can just hang your bikes. That's pretty considerate of them. Lots of parking, but today it just looks like it might be myself and a few others here today. Not very busy at all. So hopefully everything goes well. Well, there you go folks, that was Awaba mountain bike trail. We did essentially the Awaba trail. That's a roughly, I think it said 13 kilometers worth of trail up and down. Awaba Camelback section is probably the steepest and hardest of the whole system. It is steep, it is quite difficult. If you do get a chance to do the beeline, I think it's called straws, clutching at straws, something along those lines, I recommend you take that. It leads to the same place, and it is a lot easier than trying to climb the Awaba Camelback. Overall, a lot of fun. The jump line is excellent. Place is clean, nice people. I didn't see anyone, to be honest with you. But yeah, overall, a really nice trail. I'll send some links to the local community here. Please support your local trail builders and local shops. And I'll see you next time.